Everyone needs a breath of fresh air, and the same goes for motorcycles. So I'll show you how to change the air filters on the Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster. This is the 2018 model. And for replacement, I've chosen the filters from Hiflo. Quality seems okay and the price is fair. And the job to exchange the air filters is rather simple. More or less a plug and play job. You take off the side panels, and there you will find that the air filter is mounted sitting only with 2 screws. So it's just a matter of unwinding one and the other, and then you can take out the filter element. It's a paper element embedded in a plastic frame, and then it has a metal plate on perforated metal plate on one side, simply I guess to protect any objects from being sucked into the engine. These I've ridden a bit too long with these, a bit more than 2 years, but not too many kilometers. But you see the difference from the old to the new filter. Color difference is the color is different on the new filters from the old ones. You can't compare the color, but the level of dirt shows that I should have replaced these filters a few kilometers ago. But that's more or less it. You add the new filter, putting back in the screws. Be careful not to over tighten. It is just plastic casing with a metal screw, so just make sure that it's a snug fit and it's nice and neat, tucked in. Don't over tighten it, and that's it actually. Put back on the side panel, and then remember that there's a filter on each side of the bike. So here's the left side done, and we'll go to the right side for the exact same procedure. So I'll just leave it at that and put on a bit of music for the rest of this tiny operation. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.